Hi everybody, it's Laquita. I have another project to share with you. This one is for Eva's challenge, and Eva is her challenge or channel name is Eva Seferiadou. I think that's how you say her last name. Forgive me if I didn't say it correctly. But she is having a friendship challenge, and Eva is a very sweet, lovely lady. She is so talented. I love the gift that she sent to me when I had my challenge. It was the pincushion hat, and it's just so pretty. I'll leave a link below for that if you want to go back and see it, or if you missed it and you'd like to see it, I'll also leave a link for Eva's channel. And but she is having a friendship challenge, and you can make anything that you like to make as long as it's small. So I'm hoping that this little purse qualifies as being small. It does fit kind of in my hand. And so I've just always wanted to make one of these purses, and I had tried it before. It's been a while, and I couldn't get it to fit into the frame after I, thought I measured everything right, and I sewed it all together, and it was just too tight. I couldn't get it to go in there. And then I saw Jeanette's tutorial. Jeanette, you saved me because I could not figure out what was wrong with what I was doing. And so Jeanette's tutorial on how to make the bag to go into the frame, how to get it to fit, is so well done and so easy to follow. And I just, once I watched it, I knew exactly where I was making the mistake, so I made that adjustment, and then it was just a piece of cake after that. So thank you, Jeanette, for that tutorial. And so I just finished it off with these glass gold pearls here and a little bit of red right at the top of the handle. And I've added a row of bling across the top. You can see it kind of twinkling there, and it's on both sides. And then just on one side, I've decorated it with just a few little handmade flowers. I've added a little red one here with a doily and a little red pearl, and then I've got a couple of rolled flowers made out of a green crepe, and then I've got an applique here, and then this pretty little gold flower with the bling on it is actually a pin, Eva, so you can take that off if you want to. So so that completes the little purse. I left the back side plain because I thought the pattern on the fabric was just so pretty. I didn't want to cover both sides. And it's got that beautiful red color in there that I just love. And so anyway, I have filled it with some goodies for her, so it's all stuffed and ready to go. I've also got it lined on the inside. I've used a gold fabric inside, and then I've just added a little bit of tiny decorative trim, which covers up my stitches, which is where, you stitch the purse into the little metal frame. So that is it. That's my entry to you, Eva. I hope that you like it, and I will get it on its way to you probably tomorrow because it's already late evening here, so I probably won't get out again today. So I will get out tomorrow and get it in the mail to you. So I'll leave the link below so you can go over and get all the details about her challenge, and hopefully you all can join in if you haven't already. So thank you so much for watching. Take care, guys. Bye.